Today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. We are moving into our house in just a few hours. Yo, I am 3 minutes away from our new house. This is beautiful. Oh, hell yeah. Vivian is there. We got separated. I had to go get a bank check for the title company. But yeah, she's been chilling there for a few minutes. This is gonna be my first time seeing it in person. This is so nice. I freaking love all the palm trees. All right, okay, well this road could be a little better. Hey, you can't have it all, guys. We're not rich. Oh yeah, dude. This looks so peaceful. We're not next to any like highways or anything. Oh my God. Let's go. Almost there. Oh my God, this is a nice street, dude. Yeah, I know, Cleo. Bro. Look at my street, man. This is sweet. Cleo's super excited. Oh, yeah. Hold on, baby. We're almost there. Where's Vivian? There she is. Dude. This is wicked fucking nice. I can fit up that driveway. I'm gonna flip it. Okay, there's like a bird walking on the sidewalk, like a big bird. I don't know what you call that thing, but it's a bird. Oh my God. Dude, this is our house. So,
we're here.
You've been here. Oh my God, what the fuck is that?
Holy shit.
What is?
Sorry.
It's just walking on the sidewalk. Like, what is this? I want to go say hi.
Don't aggravate that wildlife. Stop it. Don't aggravate the wildlife.
Oh look, we have neighbors. She's saying hi to me or the bird?
I don't know.
It could be either way. I say hi to animals like that.
Stop. It's a bird. It'll kill you.
Yeah, Charlie, you don't want to mess with that. We can send Cleo after that. Cleo might do some damage. Cleo would be Tasmanian devil around that bird. Okay, so.
We're such tourists. We're like, oh, wildlife.
Guys, this is our house. Isn't this nuts? Oh, crap. I just squished a really big bug, like a juicy bug.
I can't believe how nice it is out.
It's so nice.
So we're gonna get a pool, right?
We're gonna get a pool. Oh yeah, we have to get a pool. I'm gonna, yeah. If you don't mind, please watch this video all the way through so I can afford to build a pool for my lovely wife. This is ridiculous. Look how clean this is. Oh yeah, gotta get some security cameras. Don't mind what? Oh, Charlie took a dump?
Yep. She left her mark already.
Okay, she has claimed this her territory. Okay. Yeah, this is nuts, babe. Look at that door. It's a nice door.
Outlet? Let's go.
Nice.
Look.
So I can do stuff.
Oh look, they already got hooks up here. We could put lights up.
This will probably end up being a blooper, but it is, it's like 7:30 in the morning and Vivian's still asleep. And here I am, sitting in a, like a beach chair with Cleo. The cups we just bought at Walmart last night are still in my car. And we don't have running water, so I can't wash those cups. So I put my coffee mixture in here. But I have to take a dump, and we don't have running water. So I'm not sure what to do. Like, I might drive to a gas station and just blow up their bathroom. I don't know what to do in this situation. And Cleo doesn't know either. It's okay though. It's okay. We're in the house. Everything's fine.
Is that King Kong? What are you doing, babe? It's so funny to me how cats just like know to get on their cat towers. They just love them. It's in their blood to want to climb towers and scratch things. Oh yes, you want to scratch lots of things. I have no idea when you guys will be seeing this, but it is Friday the 18th, 10 o'clock at night. Cleo doesn't care. Charlie is the one that still needs some like time adjusting to the house. She just doesn't get it. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay, you doggy doggy. You doggy dog. You're a Snoop dog. You're a Snoopy dog. Snoop Dogg. She has been having a blast in the house. Dude, cats fascinate me. I absolutely love cats. I want to get another one, but I don't want Cleo to be jealous because Cleo is my #1 kitty. Like, I'm not even done building this cat tower yet, and she's jumping all over it. She loves it. She loves it. Oh, hi, baby. Don't eat that. Do not eat that. Here we are. This is our freaking house, guys. This is the new What the Hill headquarters. Look at that. Beautiful neighborhood. Super quiet. Super nice. We actually have one of the oldest houses in this whole entire community, which is, I mean, it's pretty big. I'll drive around later and show you guys, maybe in the next video. But our house was built in 2015. So here is our 2-car garage, right? And yeah, I parked Vivian's Jeep not so well, so I can't fit the other car in here right now. But, really cool thing, this already comes with shelves. So I don't know if the original owners or the previous owners built these shelves, but they're already here. We have some hurricane shutters that came with the house, decent water heater, and the garage door opener is actually really, really nice. It's like you almost can't hear it. It's kind of weird. Charlie? Okay, let's go show him the house. Like every day, several times a day, Vivian and I have just been saying to each other, this feels so weird. This is our first house. So before I go inside, front of the house needs some work. The grass is not in very good shape, so I will be dealing with that within the next couple months. Like rip out the shrub and maybe rip out this thing. I want to put in like a little palm tree somewhere. What was that? All right, let's go. Welcome to What the Hill headquarters. Would you like to show everyone around, babe? No? Okay. We actually have a laundry room, which is ridiculous. Like, I don't even feel like we deserve a house with a dedicated laundry room. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Yeah. We moved in on the 16th, right? On the 17th, the 17th was a huge day. We had the internet guy come first thing. We didn't have water for the first, like, 24 hours that we're in the house. We had the water guy come, didn't even tell us that he turned the water on, but the water just came on at like noon. In the afternoon, the washer and dryer got delivered. We bought the washer and dryer online, I think, sitting in the hotel in Tallahassee.
Yeah.
Well, nothing can go completely right with this whole entire thing. So the dryer comes off the truck. It has a dent in the left side right there. That's not it. It has another dent on this side. Can you see that? If we go straight to the right, this is gonna end up being our office, and our stuff is getting delivered Wednesday. Today's Monday, the 21st. This is where I will be editing the YouTube videos when I get my desk set up and stuff like that. Here is second bathroom. Yeah, nothing too fancy, but here it is. Then if we go in here, this is bedroom number 2. They're all pretty much the same exact thing. Here's another bedroom, bedroom 3. It's so echoey in here. gotta get stuff inside here. We have a pantry right next to the kitchen, which is also really, really cool. We're gonna, when my dad comes in April, we're gonna build some shelves. That's kind of crazy that we have a freaking pantry. Here's the kitchen. This is the first thing that Vivian and I are going to tackle. So we don't like this kitchen at all. I mean, okay, I don't want to sound too ungrateful. We love having a freaking house. We're so grateful that we were able to get this house. But this is the first thing that we are going to choose to upgrade. So I can talk about that later, but we have some like paint color samples here for the cabinets. I'm not sure if we're gonna go with any of these specifically, but it's gonna end up looking really, really cool. Am I right? Yeah. Why did I wait like 4 days to finish filming this video? I don't know, I just went to Walmart this morning, it's President's Day, and I got back and Vivian has the bed frame. This is gonna be for the guest bedroom. I was about to start putting this together and then I just thought this would probably be a good time to look back and remember the early days of this house.
Yeah.
Know what I'm saying?
What it looks like, because we're gonna do a lot to it.
While you're right there, babe, tell them what we're gonna do to the kitchen.
Well, we're gonna paint the cabinets.
Yep.
And add handles to them. We're gonna completely redo this, flatten it out, maybe extend it out a little bit. What else are we do? Oh, countertops, changing the countertops, we're changing the sink.
What color countertops?
Well, we decided what, white?
Right now we're thinking white quartz countertops with kind of like, with not like plain white with like a little bit of texture, something like that. So what we mean by...
Oh, we're so full of shit. No, we're not. We're only doing that with these countertops.
Yeah. Yeah.
With this, we're gonna do a wood, like a wood block.
It's called a butcher block.
Butcher block.
Yeah, so what we mean by flattening it out is, you see this little step right here, it goes up. We're gonna totally just have this cut. Obviously we're gonna have a professional come in and do this. We're gonna flatten it out and just put one big butcher block right here. And we have, obviously we have all of our furniture on the way. I told you guys that. It's all getting delivered Wednesday. This will start to fill up pretty quick. I know the appliances won't match. We'll deal with the appliances later. But this living room is a pretty good size. And you guys missed it the first few days. We were sleeping on an air mattress right there. And then, since my mom is coming on Thursday, we decided to just go ahead and get a queen bed for the second bedroom. So, of course, we're taking advantage of that. We have a guest here, enjoying the bed. What are you doing, babe? This is the master bedroom. Go in here. This is our bathroom. Pretty good size. And for some reason, the closet, like our bedroom closet, is through the bathroom in here. And this is the only place in the house that has carpet. And we have not cleaned it yet, but we will. So there's that. So the very last thing is the back of the house. This is like standard in Florida to have these like sunroom, I guess you can call it, but it's not really a sunroom because it has screen instead of windows. I don't know, you guys know what I'm talking about. Come on. Charlie, come. There's actually a decent amount of space in this backyard. The grass is, well, I mean, it's kind of half grass, half weeds. So, like I said, I'm gonna need to do some yard work, guys. But, I mean, this fence is, I'm 5'10", so what is this, like 5.5 feet tall, something like that? Pretty good size. I don't know, man, we're just pumped. Like, we want to do so many things. I'm just happy to be here. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I know this is a long video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Vivian says, see you guys next time.
Go away.
All right, bye. Thank you for watching.